The less you speak, the more powerful your words. Now, for many years maybe, you have been misunderstood and you have been consistently underestimated. This is because you have misunderstood and you have underestimated yourself, and external reality reflects back your state of being. You have been in misalignment with your own divine blueprint. Most of us in the beginning, we relinquish our sovereignty. We lean on external authority. We lean on scripture, the words of our teachers in primary school, in high school, our family, our parents, societal norms, the programming, the conditioning of this reality. We learn everything that is to learn in this world, and by so doing, we give away our power, or we gave it away. Now, the reason you incarnated is your own truth. No one will ever know this truth. It cannot depend on the words of any other person other than yourself. Your own inner knowing, your own highest version, your own soul has equipped you with scripture, with light coding in frequency within your blood, within your breath, within your mitochondria, within your nervous system, within the entirety of your being, within your DNA, even the junk DNA that the medical field says is junk that you don't know about, the other 10 strands of your immaculate nature, your divinity. Now, your physical body, it takes heed to your commands. Whatever you speak, it recalibrates reality. It changes the very fabric of reality, whatever you speak. Now, since you were a child, high school, teenager, young adult, you got older, you have gossiped. You have not only verbally, but also that internal monologue or dialogue, whatever you're having with yourself mentally. You have spoken things, you have negated your own worth. You have judged people. You have spoken to persuade. You have spoken to manipulate. You have spoken things like, I think I'm catching the flu. I don't have money. I feel sick. You have complained about the weather. You have spoken many things, and your physical body has been very obedient into manifesting whatever it is that you have spoken. All that limitation has resulted in very advanced technology, which is your physical vessel, to comply to each and every word that you have uttered, internally, externally, even how you felt about people, the hatred, the dislike, the judgment, or the love, the care. It has manifested in your body, and this has created the programming of decay. You have believed that you will live until you're 70 or 80 with no second thought, because external reality has convinced you of it. Now, when you start to speak different to your body, you are activating ancient wisdom here. Your body is infinite intelligence manifest. It is asleep, maybe at present, that omniscience, but it carries ancestral intelligence. It carries the traumas of everyone that has gone before you. There are indentations and fractures upon your DNA and upon your fascia. Your fascia is the intelligence. It is probably like a plasma thing around each and every organ, but it carries the memory of everything that has happened to everyone that is within your genetic pool, within your own makeup. So, where you have manifested lack, struggle, strife, is because of a result of the congestion of this energy. It has created debris, it has created the staunching of the flow of your divinity. Your divinity is crystalline light. It is photonic intelligence. It can't be contained. It's very vast. So when it hits a fracture, it stops. It is too sensitive, yet infinitely potent.